right, the next items, there are two items that was sent to me as a gift from NCLA Beauty. Was these two beauties, and I think if I'm not mistaken, I showed you this in a previous video not too long ago, that I received this in a PR, but I didn't try it. Yeah. And I've been using a lot the Barbie Dream, and I haven't used the Barbie convertible one at all. So this is how the Barbie convertible one looks like, and this is how the Barbie Dream looks like, right? So they look like very different, like this is pink, this is purple, but they change in your lips. So let's try first the one that I haven't used and see what it changed into, because they will change into colors. So it kind of like tint your lips, so it looks pretty. Let me show you. So it reacts, just like I said, they are saying here that it reacts to the pH of your skin, and it transforms your skin, your lips right away, and it levels the tint on your lips with the pH. So the pH of your skin change the color of the product, and it gives you this tint color on the lips, which is a very pretty color. I like it. I like it very much. So let's try the one that is kind of like purple. This is the Barbie Dream. This is the one that I'm been using a lot. And this is more dark. This is a darker shade. To be honest, I thought I liked more the Barbie Dream, but now that I have seen both, I think I like more the Barbie convertible. And it might be a thing between, today I like more this one, today I like this one more, today I like this one even better. I thought I didn't like it, but now I love it. It might be one of those situations. I like the packaging. If you had kids, you had daughters and teenagers, they would definitely like this packaging. It's super pretty. I, again, don't like the smell. I don't like the smell. I'm gonna keep using it, and if I change my mind and I think I hate it for any reason, I will let you guys know on my Instagram. I use my Instagram a lot. I really like it. If you don't follow me there, please do. And again, if you like this video so far, you are still here, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me down a comment which of this product you like the best or the most. Here's the next item, BECCA. And if I'm not mistaken, I just recently, like a week ago, if I'm not mistaken, I received a BECCA lipstick from Bossy Charm. So I like the formula already. Let's try this specific color. And remember, this was sent to me, gifted to me by BECCA. So let's see. This is in the shade Blade. And yeah, I definitely received one of these before. I remember the magnetic gloss. Super nice and satisfying. Yeah, I like it. So this is the shade, and this is how it looks. Whoa, this is a pretty color. Oh, I like it. Let's try it in the lips. Wow, I like it more than I thought I would. Oh my God, I like it. This is so, look at me now. I am beautiful. I love it. This is so pretty. I like this color a lot. The formula is very soft. Very soft. And I put it on my nose. The next item, I haven't even get it out of this. So this was sent to me by Lancome, and this is a glow cream in the shade Graffiti. Yes. So let's see, this one has this color. Oh goodness, this is pretty. Oh, it is a cute color. It is a cute color. Let's put it in the lip. And it smells like makeup. So this is how this color looks in the lips. Just to remind you, the shade is in the number 382 Graffiti. It's very colorful, summer, spring, screams summer, spring, summer to me. It's a beautiful color. I like this color. It made me look like, look at me. Again, look at me. I really like this lipstick. It's very pretty. Thank you, Lancome, for sending this. Thank you, Morphe. Thank you, NCLA. Thank you, BECCA. Thank you, Lancome. And thank you for the next one, because it's another one coming up right now. The next item that I have here in hand is been proven. I love the brand. I love the brand. I have nothing but good things to say about this brand. I only have a little hiccup with them once because I didn't like one product, and we are not here today to talk about that. Anyways, Sol de Janeiro sent me and gifted me this product. And if you remember, I just recently ordered this from FabFitFun. So it has been proven. I love this product. I really like it, and I'm so happy Sol de Janeiro sent me this. And let's talk a little bit about this. So the cream, it has a very nice smell. It smells similar to the cream that they have, the bomb one that they have for the body. It smells similar to that. And let me tell you something. I was looking for it because I have it here, a small sample. Let me tell you about it. This is the only cream I can put in my feet that doesn't make me sweat. I will sweat so much if I put anything on my feet, and it's always been a problem because my feet tend to be very dry because I wear a lot of sandals. I live in Florida, you know, cool weather here, nice weather here, whatever. So my feet tend to be very dry, but I cannot put anything. And this was the solution. This is the solution for anyone who needs to put something in their feet to hydrate it, to keep it nice and soft, but everything else doesn't work. This is what you need. You need this in your life. This is really, really good. All right, talking about the entire product, it comes with this. And this is a sand, basically a sandboard, like they call it, for the feet. And you basically sand your skin with it. But grabbing this is not easy. It's quite hard because it doesn't have anything to grab it. I'm gonna show you a one that has been loved for a long time. It's been with me for like 4 or 5 years. So sorry if it looks a little bit disgusting, but I'm actually gonna link it down below because this is amazing. Has been with me for the three or 4 years already. It is this one. I bought it from Nordstrom, and see, it has two sides. One is more rough than the other one. So you start with the rough part and then you finish it up with the most fine one. And it has this grip, so you can grab it and you can work it out there very hard and nicely. So I highly recommend this one. It has a really, really good reviews, and it's from Nordstrom. I'm gonna leave the link down below. But again, this one works. It's just not as nice, but the cream is everything. I will still buy both of them. I love if they just sell me this one on a bigger size. I would just be happier with that, but I will still buy this again and again and again because it's the only thing I have been able to put in my feet that it doesn't make a sweat into a pool. They also sent me this one, and this is a hand cream, and this one I just recently ordered it from Sephora because my super loved one was empty. I keep this with me in my car all the time with me. I love this hand cream. It smells so good. This one is closed, as you see, because I mean it's closed. I haven't started using it, but this one, oh my god, it smells so good. It's the same one. It's the same one. It's a hand cream by Sol de Janeiro. They sent me this as a gift. I really, really, really like it. I actually ordered one from Sephora. All right, guys, this is the final look. And this is how I ended up looking like. I don't know if it is lipstick. Looks okay with these eyeshadow colors, but that's how we ended looking like. I'm not gonna rip it off right now out of my lips because they are like, don't touch me anymore, please. All right, so I'm gonna leave them like that. Right here, we are having some videos, one that I recommend and one that YouTube recommends. So go ahead and watch those. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.